Hello everyone and welcome back to Destin Learning. Are you thinking about starting a career in cloud computing but not sure where to begin? You're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to break down the top cloud certifications for beginners in 2025. The credentials that will give you the biggest advantage when starting your cloud career. Cloud computing is growing faster than ever and employers are actively seeking people with the right technical foundation. Whether you're transitioning careers, expanding your skills, or entering the IT field for the first time, these certifications can open doors to high-paying opportunities. Let's get started. Cloud computing powers everything today, from small business websites to massive enterprise systems. As companies continue shifting their workloads to the cloud, the need for skilled professionals is at an all-time high. If you're new to IT, earning a beginner-level cloud certification is one of the fastest ways to prove your knowledge and get attention of hiring managers. In this video, we'll explore 6 best certifications for 2025, including what each one teaches and who it's best for and why it matters. The first one on our list is the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner, or CCP. It's the best overall certification for complete beginners. AWS continues to lead the cloud industry, and the AWS Cloud Practitioner certification is a perfect starting point. It's widely recognized, and it doesn't require any prior cloud experience, and it gives you a strong fundamental understanding of Amazon Web Services. Next on the list is the Microsoft Azure Fundamentals, or AZ900 certification. It's the most beginner-friendly certification with strong enterprise demand. If you want to work in enterprise IT, education, or government environments, Azure is often the platform of choice. AZ900 is one of the easiest Microsoft certifications, perfect for beginners, and it requires no hands-on experience. Next on the list is the Google Cloud Digital Leader, or GCDL. It's great for future roles in AI, machine learning, and data engineering. Google Cloud is rapidly expanding, especially in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data analytics. The Digital Leader certification introduces you to the Google Cloud's modern ecosystem. Next on the list is CompTIA's Cloud Plus certification. It's the best vendor-neutral certification for broad cloud fundamentals. CompTIA Cloud Plus gives you cloud knowledge that applies across AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, and private data centers. It's more technical than the previous options, and it's ideal for those who want to dig deeper and have a better understanding of cloud infrastructure. Next on the list is the IBM Cloud Advocate. It's an excellent entry-level certification for cloud and AI beginners. IBM Cloud is widely used by large enterprises, finance, healthcare, and hybrid cloud environments. This certification focuses on cloud basics while also introducing AI concepts, including IBM Watson. Next is our bonus entry on the list, which is the AWS Certified AI Practitioner. This is a new certification for 2024 and 25, and it's perfect for AI and cloud beginners. This is Amazon's newest entry-level certification, and it combines cloud fundamentals along with AI and machine learning basics. It's ideal for anyone entering AI-powered cloud roles. Let's recap the top beginner certifications for 2025. First on the list was the AWS Cloud Practitioner. Next was Amazon AZ900, followed by the Google Cloud Digital Leader. Next was CompTIA Cloud Plus, the IBM Cloud Advocate, and finally our bonus entry, AWS AI Practitioner. Cloud computing remains one of the highest paying and fastest growing fields in IT. Getting certified is one of the most effective ways to start your cloud career with confidence. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks again, and I'll see you in another video soon. Bye-bye.